I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious corn chowder. First, render about 4 ounces of bacon until it's perfectly crispy, then set it aside. Leave 2 tablespoons of that flavorful bacon fat in the pot. Now, add 1 cup of chopped onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these vegetables gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender and fragrant, creating a wonderful foundation for our chowder. Next, we'll build our creamy base. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour over your sautéed vegetables and cook for 1 minute, stirring well. This creates a roux that will thicken our chowder. Now, slowly whisk in 4 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of whole milk until the mixture is completely smooth. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring continuously until it begins to thicken beautifully. Now for the star ingredient. Add 4 cups of fresh or frozen corn kernels and 2 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and diced into half-inch pieces. Season your chowder with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Let this simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until those potatoes are perfectly fork tender. To finish, stir in 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream and the crispy bacon you set aside earlier. This adds a wonderful richness and texture. Give it a final taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Ladle your warm, comforting corn chowder into bowls. For a fresh touch, garnish each serving with some freshly chopped chives or parsley. Enjoy this incredibly satisfying and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.